This is a Palace University emergency drill, evacuation. When we must move residents out of harm's way, calm preparation makes all the difference. Remember, every building's evacuation plan and routes can be different, so always know and follow the plan for your community. Start by knowing your plan. Learn your building's evacuation routes, the nearest exits, and the assembly point. Evacuations usually move in stages, first horizontally to a safe area on the same floor, then down to a lower floor, and only fully out of the building if needed. Know which residents need extra help. When the alarm sounds, act calmly and quickly. Acknowledge the alarm, confirm the type of evacuation, and gather what you need: resident rosters and any evacuation equipment. Reassure residents in a steady voice. Your calm keeps them calm. Then begin moving people toward the safe route without delay. Assist every resident according to their needs. Help those who walk with a steady arm, push wheelchairs and walkers along the route, and use an evacuation chair or sled for residents who cannot use the stairs. Never leave anyone behind, and check every room so that no one is missed. Take the safest route and never use the elevators during an evacuation. Always use the stairs. Close doors behind you as you go to slow the spread of smoke or danger. Keep the group steady and together, moving at a pace your residents can manage safely, all the way to the assembly point. At the assembly point, account for everyone. Check each resident and team member against the roster and report anyone missing to the responders immediately. Keep residents comfortable and together, and do not return to the building until the authorities say it is safe. Then debrief, because each building's plan can differ. Know your plan, assist every resident, use the stairs, and account for everyone. And always follow your own building's evacuation procedures. This has been a Palace University emergency drill.